to know or check if someone deleted their Snapchat account. So if you want to know or check if someone deleted their Snapchat account, then you need to open up your Snapchat application at first and then head over to your friend's profile. So you'll just need to go ahead and click on to the chats for that. And then you need to locate your friend's name. Tap on the profile. Once you tap on the friend's profile, then as you can see on the left side, on the middle left side, you will have a ghost icon in that. If that ghost icon is not showing in their account, then that simply means that the person is not using Snapchat anymore, since that is their Snap score. So if that one is available, then it means that your friend is still active on Snapchat. But if you don't see that icon anymore, then the person has deleted their Snap or is not using their Snap anymore. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.